Hey guys, welcome back to Yaw Bass Lessons. Today I'm back with another new praise baseline. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave in the comment, okay, if you like the video or the lesson, okay. I also do private class lessons, and if you are interested, kindly click on this link. It will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Then we can start doing some lessons, okay. Okay, so let's begin with a breakdown. I know many of you have heard the song before by Dinah Hamilton, okay, and the song was played on key D, okay. Actually, I won't be playing all of the bass line, the basses played in the song, but I'll be playing some of it so that you can also groove with it. Let's begin with the progression of the song. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, bam, 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 bam. Okay, I'll break it down for you so that you can understand the kind of bass line I applied and where you should groove it, okay. So the first bass line I was applying something called the walking bass. Something like that, and you have to make it fit the song so that you won't be like missing off, okay. So dun, dun, da, 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 da. So this bass line was actually from the song, yeah. So do, do, so, do, dun, dun, da, 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 da. It's very easy. So how to use your fingers on that? So you can use it the normal way. Do your finger, your middle finger will play the do, 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 so, do, or you can play it this way, do, do, so, bam, 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 bam. Okay, so I'll be giving you some stuff in the song because I won't be playing all of it in the song, but if you watch the video today, I'll be adding some stuff. So da, 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 da. You see, I didn't add that to the praises, okay. This is why I want you to watch the video to the end, because I might not remember playing that in the song, but I will remember playing it in the lesson, okay. So da, 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 da. Okay, so do, so, do, so, la, ti, do. That is on your do and so progression only, and that you'll be playing all this stuff. So do, so, do, so, la, ti, do. Now to your la. If you remember, you'll be coming to your la progression. So la, ti, do, mi, la. Okay, so la, ti, do, mi, la. Now to your re, then you play mo, re, okay, mo, re. Now to your so, la, so. Then you do your slide, okay, just to cover the song, you understand. As the singer is also singing, you're also singing with your bass, you understand. So da, 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 da. Okay, you can also do your vibrato, your shake or whatever. You can do that. Da, 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 da. So here you'll be going from your do to your fa and your mi. Okay, so let's look at that part. Da, 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 da. Okay, so do mi so la fa. Okay, that is your do to your fa. So da 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 da. Okay, so do mi so la fa re mi. Now to your mi, you understand? So you be playing your re and your mi. So re mi. Okay, so do fa mi. Okay, do mi so la fa re mi. Now you're coming to your la. Okay, so mi do la. Okay, mi do la, your progression. See here you have applied a chord and you can also groove with that. Okay, okay, so do mi so la fa re mi do la. Okay, now you want to end the song. Re mi fa la so do. Okay, so pam pam para para pam 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 para pam 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 pam. Then you've done with the first part. Okay, so practice this and use it in this groove or in any other praises groove. Okay, so now let's look at the second groove and the main serious groove. Okay, so this is what I did. Dun, dun, the same. Para, para, pa. Okay, this is a very nice bass line you can use, and also a passing note you can use. It's very, very sweet for me. So the normal dun, 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 dun. Now you're coming to your la. Okay, so do slide to your so. You play your do and your T, then you play your so again. Now to your T. So you do this way. So la T la. Okay, I don't know if you're getting me. So do T so la T la. Okay, so you can use that in a song when you are coming from do ti la. So where I actually got this bass line is I listened to the lead guitarist on the song. Yeah, so it made me how to use this kind of bass line. You understand? So maybe if you have been listening to song, you can also create bass line from what you hear in the song. Maybe from the kick, from the lead guitarist, from the keyboardist. You understand? So the lead guitarist made me create this bass line and how to share it with you guys. Okay, so do so do ti so la ti la. Now to my re. If you know this passing note, mi la re is very simple. Okay, so la, or you can use this so la re, but I use this instead. La mi la re mi la re mi la re. Okay, so mi la re. Okay, this is another cool groove you can also use. Mi la re so do. Okay, okay, la re so do ti la so. Why I use this heavy bass when I didn't use this? Because I wanted my soul to be heavier. You understand? So so la ti do. You understand? So you can do it. You can play it here. So you understand? You will still play your heavy bass. You understand? So I just wanted to play it for once. Okay. So the same do. Okay. So the progression on do fa went the same, but some notes came to make it a little bit different. Okay. So this bass line actually came from the song. You understand? So okay, it's from me to your la, and he had to play that. You understand? So do mi so la fa re mi do ti so la. Okay, so do mi so la fa re mi do ti so la re so do. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, da 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 da. Okay, so the progression goes like this: do do do, so do, da 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 da, re so do. Okay, so I'll teach you the first part and also the second part. Okay, so that is how it goes. So do mi so your do progression, and you come and play your so. Okay, so do mi so do mi so re fa so do mi so do mi so do mi so re. You can also play la re fa so. It depends on how you want to groove it. Maybe so re or la re. Yeah. Okay. So do mi so do mi so la re fa so do mi so re. Okay. So re. Okay. You can do it that way. It depends on how you want to use your notes. Okay. So, and I also did a working bass line in the song that goes like this. You see how it goes? So do mi re fa mi do mi. So it goes from do mi. So now you come to your fa. Okay, so do mi re fa mi do mi fa do re so do. Okay, so do mi re fa mi do mi fa re so fa equals note do re so do. Then you continue. So da 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 da. Okay, so re do so re do la la mi re so re do so re do so re do la la mi re so re do. Okay, you can bring that in the song, or you can just be playing. Oh, you understand? Or you can bring this. Okay, so something like that. Okay, I think this is the end of the lesson. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video coming up this Friday. Okay, so don't miss it. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.